Hi, welcome to Math Test Prep, where today we're going to answer a standardized math test question asking us to find the volume of cubes. Our question states, a figure is built out of 9 cubes as shown. The edge length of each cube is 1/2 of a foot. We're asked to find the volume of the figure. So if each cube, we have 9 cubes here, is 1/2 a foot, so 1/2 of a foot by 1/2 of a foot. So if we're asked to find the volume, the formula for volume of a cube is length times width times height, and in a cube, length, width, and height, they're all the same measurement. So we're going to know that each length, width, and height are 1/2 of a foot. So 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 will give us the volume. We're going to multiply all the numerators, multiply all the denominators to get our solution. So the volume is equal to 1/8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So that means each of these 9 cubes has a volume of 1/8. But we are asked to find the volume of the entire figure, so we need to take the volume of 1 cube and multiply it by the 9 cubes. Reminding you that 9 is a whole number written as a fraction with a denominator of 1. So once again, we're going to multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 9 times 1 is 9, and 8 times 1 is 8. If we rewrite this as a mixed number, we get 1 1/8, giving us a solution of A, 1 1/8 cubic feet.